Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, July 24th. Well, there were some scattered strong thunderstorms late yesterday and early last night in the Mid-Atlantic region, and there will be some scattered showers and thunderstorms later on today, perhaps not quite as widespread as yesterday. But then a cool front comes through, and that paves the way for a very nice day on Wednesday. In fact, tomorrow will probably be the nicest day of the week here in the Mid-Atlantic region with low humidity, plenty of sunshine, and comfortable temperatures in the 80s for the most part. But then the heat and humidity return quite forcefully on Thursday, and temperatures could go way back up into the 90s throughout much of the Mid-Atlantic on Thursday, along with the increasing chance for showers and thunderstorms. And that threat for showers and thunderstorms will continue on Friday and Saturday as well, although it may not be quite as hot on Friday and Saturdays as temperatures trend down a little bit from the highs expected on Thursday. Let's take a look at the latest surface map, and here's that pretty strong cool front headed into the Mid-Atlantic region, and it is setting off some showers and thunderstorms. We'll take a look at the radar in a moment, but there's a band right here in southwestern PA, and then quite an impressive looking band out in the Ohio Valley associated with this frontal system. And again, there's a chance of a shower or thunderstorm, especially across the DC region later on today, as this frontal system moves into the Mid-Atlantic region. But then nice Canadian high pressure will take complete control of the weather for Wednesday. Looks like probably Wednesday will be the only rain-free day of the week, at least in the forecast. There will be no chance of rain during the day on Wednesday, as humidities will drop quite a bit behind this frontal system later on tonight. All that changes though on Thursday as heat and humidity build back into the Mid-Atlantic region. Meanwhile, still broiling hot out here in the Central Plains and all the way into Colorado, for example. Temperatures will again move way up into the 90s in many spots. Meanwhile, quite cool along the west coast with your persistent marine layer low clouds and fog early in the morning that'll persist well into the morning and perhaps allow for some clearing during the afternoon. They've been quite cool along the west coast, and it looks like that pattern will continue for the next several days. Here's a current radar look at the western part of the Mid-Atlantic region out to the Ohio Valley, because this is where the precipitation exists right now. Again, there's a little band of showers and thunderstorms here in southwestern PA headed for the DC region, especially the western suburbs, so they can get some precipitation there later on this afternoon. Quite an impressive area out here over the Ohio Valley. All this associated with that cool frontal system that kind of extends from the Great Lakes into the Ohio Valley, headed towards the Mid-Atlantic region. We'll keep an eye on these thunderstorms over the next several hours, but from Philadelphia north and east, it looks like just an isolated shower or thunderstorm later today. Now, D.C., with this band of precipitation here in southwestern PA, certainly has a better chance in the Mid-Atlantic for some showers and storms later on this afternoon. Here's the latest infrared satellite loop. A lot of clouds associated with that frontal system and those bands of showers and thunderstorms out here in the Ohio Valley. Again, some are dropping southeastward towards the D.C. region right now. Mostly clear skies out here in the heartland, and again, very hot conditions out here from Colorado into Kansas, Nebraska, and Oklahoma. Some monsoonal moisture riding up from the Pacific into the intermountain region in the west. This monsoonal moisture will set off some showers and thunderstorms later on this afternoon, combined with the diurnal heating to destabilize the atmosphere. Meanwhile, quite a few clouds and low clouds and fog right here, right along the west coast. That marine layer has been pretty persistent and stubborn, and will reluctantly give up some ground later on today to allow for a little bit of brightening. But the big story in terms of strong thunderstorms will be associated with that frontal system out here over the upper part of the Midwest. Well, let's take a quick look at a couple of computer forecast maps. This is for tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning, from last night's GFS model run. By this time, that strong cool front will be well off the coast. High pressure will be in control. It'll be a very comfortable day for this time of the year with lower humidity values and pleasant temperatures for the most part in the 80s, and probably the only day of the week without the mention of a possible shower or thunderstorm. Now let's jump ahead to Thursday morning. This is last night's GFS model run for Thursday morning. By this time, some moisture is already starting to move into the Great Lakes region, and temperatures will actually jump quite a bit on Thursday as southwest flow develops on the backside of that high pressure system. So tomorrow, Wednesday, will be quite a pleasant day with low humidities, but all that changes quickly on Thursday. In fact, temperatures could soar way up into the mid to upper 90s across D.C. and into the 90s in Philadelphia as moisture starts to increase later in the day, and especially Thursday night. There will be a chance of showers and thunderstorms, and that threat will continue on Friday and Saturday as well. Well, that's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.